Hi everybody, it's JoJo fam. Molly has been walking her own little way. I was gonna post a video, but it stopped too soon. She was like walking all the way down there, and now she's walking. I don't know what she's doing, but she's doing something. Molly! 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 What the frick? I have no shoes on. Come on. Come on. No, not that way. Come on. Come on, you're already tired. What is that? Molly. Not that way. She has a friend all the way down there. No. She wonders where the sounds are coming from. I'm probably going to take a walk down there. Come on. Move it, toot it, move it, toot it, move it, toot it, move it, toot it. No! You're not going that way again. She's such a silly little doggy. Come on, Molly! Come on! Molly! 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 Molly, I know you don't have such strength. Molly! No! Molly! Molly! Molly, boo, 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 boo. This is how far I am. Molly! No! Stop it! Stop! Come on. For the last time, no. You're not going that way. You're not. No! Okay, no. Oh, no! Molly! Oh, no, she just saw my cat. Saw a cat. Okay, God. No. Okay. Come on. Don't even try it. I have no idea where that cat is. Come on. Stay. Molly! Come on! Molly! Come on! Go there for my live stream. Go on my channel in a few minutes. Oh, look! Some of my pictures. 28 colored, age 10. Loves emojis. Favorite animal, turtle. And yeah. So bye. See you on my live stream. Bye.